Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Megan. I do sewing, embroidery, and other crafty things. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the adjustable fixture for the Mighty Hoop station here. So this is the station for embroidering adult shirts. As you can see, there's left and right, so you can use this for chest logos, and then also the adjustable fixture obviously is used here for bigger pieced items. So today I will be embroidering a sweatshirt. So I have a piece of cutaway stabilizer all cut out here, ready to go. And then I am using my 11 by 13 inch Mighty Hoop. And you can get these items from mightyhoop.com. I'll leave a link down below. Additionally, I have my sweatshirt here. I am embroidering a medium adult sweatshirt. I think it's heavy duty cotton Gildan brand sweatshirt. I just find that they work best for me. So first step is that you are going to want to put your back of the hoop on. So this is the top and this is the bottom. You obviously want the bottom to be on the bottom and the top to be on the top. Now to adjust these, all you would do is pull these out. So there's little screws on the sides that you can use to make it tighter or looser. I'm just going to loosen these up, and that's kind of how you can take it out essentially. So that's really how they work. So I'm just going to put this one back on there, get it to where we need it to be, and then I'm going to tighten up the screws on the back here. All right, those are all tightened. So as you can see, I just kind of placed it where I thought it looked best. And of course, like I said, you have to make sure that it matches your hoop as well. So I found that this placement is the best for me. Then you will want to pull these flaps up because these actually will hold the stabilizer. However, if you notice, my stabilizer isn't exactly the tallest. So it won't exactly work perfectly, but if you wanted to hoop the stabilizer, this is how you could do it. However, for the purposes of this, I'm just going to kind of leave it like this and make sure that a little bit is catching at the top and a little bit is going to catch at the bottom. So now I'm going to grab my sweatshirt. I'm going to place it over. And I'm actually just going to take the stabilizer out just to get it kind of out of the way. And then I'm going to pull this down to the length that I want it to be. So it's kind of naturally wanting to lay at, well, actually, let me pull it down a little bit more. So I'm going to put it right where the D is, and there is a center line, so I'm going to make sure that line is nice and centered, which it is. Then I'm going to put my stabilizer back in. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Typically, if the stabilizer was in these little metal parts, then I wouldn't have to worry about the stabilizer popping out, but that's okay. As long as I can still hoop my project, then that's all that really matters. So I'm just going to kind of adjust everything, making sure that it tries to catch it at the top and the bottom as well. And I'm going to drape it over. Let me just make sure that it all feels good. Oh, it didn't quite catch at the top there, because like I said, there's a little wiggle room for this. Okay. So then that is all perfectly centered. So then all you're going to do is use your magnetic hoop. So again, this is the top. And then it'll snap right into place. And that is perfectly centered. So that is essentially how you use the adjustable fixture for the Mighty Hoop station. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I am planning on recording another tutorial on how to hoop chest logos on this, especially if you have a small business. I think this would greatly help, especially if you have a multi-needle machine, because for these, I know that there are some single needle machines that you can use for these. However, I have my Racoma MT 1501 embroidery machine. So that's what I got for my machine here, is that it will help make hooping items a lot easier. And as you can see, that was fairly easy to hoop this shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.